If you're an expert or online business owner that wants to make more money and have way more freedom in your day-to-day life, then you need to create an online course. The first reason that you should create an online course is that it makes your income endlessly scalable. I've got a client, Alex, that is a nutrition expert over in Ireland, and he came to me a few years ago. He was making about £1,500 per month. After creating his online course, we were able to grow it to where now he's making over £138,000 every single month from his course. And the crazy thing is he's only spending about £8,000 per month on paid advertising. But it goes beyond being able to create a passive income source that works like a magical ATM machine where you put money in and it spits 10 times more money out. It's also going to give you so much more freedom in your life because you're able to work in a way that's completely disconnected from you giving your time. And a perfect example of this is earlier this month, I went down to the beach with my family, and over that weekend, we decided we were going to have a launch of our online course. So I was literally able to sit on the beach with my toes in the sand and enjoy time with my family while we made a high 5 figures in income. But the other great thing about adding an online course to your business revenue is that it gives you so much predictability and control over your income in your business. Things like affiliate marketing and brand deals can be a really great way to make money, but they can also give you these big peaks and valleys when it comes to your income. You might get a bunch of brand deals one month and then have none for the next 2 or 3. And with affiliate marketing, you have no control over the sales funnels. So you can send traffic to these offers and make money, and sure, you don't have to do any delivery or anything like that, but you don't know how well they're going to convert. Not to mention, affiliate platforms can completely shut down their program or change how much they're paying out at any time, and you have no control over that. But probably the biggest problem that people are running into with affiliate marketing right now is that with all of the privacy laws that are going into effect, you may be getting sales and not be getting attributed for those sales, so you're not getting paid. And that's because Apple and Google and all these companies are blocking cookies and making it harder to track people's data. But with online courses, you have full control of the income. You get to decide how much you charge, how you're going to sell it, and you're able to look at the entire sales pipeline to see where things aren't working and fix them to increase your conversions and your sales over time. With an online course, you're building an asset that creates passive income that's only going to get better, and once you have it perfected, it just turns out sales around the clock even if you're not working on it. There's also never been a better time to create an online course than right now because there's so much opportunity. Online courses are currently a $315 billion industry. That's absolutely insane. But the crazier part is that it's going to be over $1 trillion by 2028, which means there's plenty of room for growth, and you have the opportunity to jump in on this now and get a piece of that pie. Not only are people looking to online education to learn new skills and make money in non-conventional ways, a perfect example of this is in the digital marketing space. I can't tell you how many people have told me that they've learned more from a digital marketing course than they did from their marketing degree at their big fancy college. But as we sit today, we're in this weird time where it's easier to grow online than ever. For the past 3 to 5 years, it's actually been very difficult to grow an audience online. It's taken a lot of time and a lot of work. But today in 2022, with the rise of vertical video and platforms like TikTok, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts, we're seeing that it's easier to grow an audience than ever before. And having an audience of loyal followers means that you have traffic that you can direct toward your offers to make more money online. So if you're willing to get out there and share your knowledge and your expertise and your passion and help other people solve problems that you've already solved for yourself with your content, then you're going to be able to quickly grow a following and start making money online, even if you have a small audience. And I want to give you just a crazy story about this to kind of illustrate the opportunity that's out there. I've got an agency client, Jared, that's an online fitness coach, and he sells his program for about $1,800. Now, up until a few months ago, he was making about $20,000 a month online, which is pretty incredible by most people's standards. But he decided that he was just going to create some simple videos on TikTok and see what would happen. His 5th video that he recorded went viral and reached over 4 million people. But what's crazy is that since he already had an online course and he had that linked in his bio, he started getting buyers like crazy. The month that video went viral, his income jumped from $20,000 a month to $70,000. And in the 3 months since then, he's made over $100,000 a month every single month, and he's having to hire people to help him fulfill and coach these clients that are coming in. And that was just his 5th video. But you don't have to go viral or even have a large audience to start making money online. A great example of this is my old YouTube channel, which has just under 4,000 subscribers. I haven't posted a video on that channel in over 3 years, but it's still generating leads every single day, and we're getting $597 course sales every week from that channel. I would barely be making money on that channel with affiliate marketing, and I definitely wouldn't be getting brand sponsorships, but online courses allow me to make money even with a small following. So if you have an online business and you have some sort of expertise where you can help people solve problems, you need to be creating an online course. Because if you don't, you're just leaving money on the table and you're going to have to work a lot harder for it. Now, if you made it this far into the video, you probably have a problem because you're sitting here thinking to yourself, you're right, Mike, I need to make an online course. I want to make this money and I want to make money while I'm on vacation and have more free time in my day to day. But how do I do it? Don't worry, I got you. I've put together this playlist of all of my best content teaching you how to create and sell an online course so you know exactly what to do. And each of those videos are going to answer your biggest questions, from what tools to use to create your online course, how to price it, and how you're going to get sales when you don't have a following. So check it out and hit me up in the comments if you have any questions.